As always, don't forget to check for the lowest prices on the parts and tools I use in today's video down below in the video description. And don't worry, today's lighting is going to be great even though it's nighttime. I'm at my house working on my 2011 Kia Sorento. I bought some 6.5-inch speakers for my Kia Sorento, and when I took the speaker out, I was like, oh man, this is like a big OEM looking speaker, where a regular 6.5-inch speaker would not normally work. So I'm going to show you if you did the same thing. You did a quick search, 6.5-inch speakers, and come to find out, by the time you get them and you get everywhere, you find out, oh, this wasn't the right speaker. I'm going to show you how to hook it up anyways. So first, let's look at how to get this door panel off. There are a total of 6 fasteners. You got one here, one there, one here. There's going to be a black plastic piece hiding this. You're just going to lift this up, take a screw and pop that off, and you'll see that one. Then you're going to have a black plastic piece blocking these two. There's one there and one there. Then there's one there. There's also going to be a black plastic piece hiding that as well. Again, flathead screwdriver will resolve all those issues. I believe that is all 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, that's it. So then, of course, just like on any door panel, you have these little plastic clips. So you're just going to reach up here, and also, I didn't mention this piece, just take a flathead screwdriver, that pops out. Then you're just going to grab right here, pop this off, and then you'll disconnect all of these different electrical connectors. Next, we have the old speaker, and that's this guy. And come on, camera, focus, focus, focus. Here we go. And you're gonna see there's first of all, I've tore the speaker up, and that's fine, and it has a little electrical connector right there, and it's gonna be riveted in. And in order to get those rivets out, you're gonna take a drill. Of course, it's gonna be where the new speaker's sitting now, but you're gonna have a drill. You're gonna drill them. Then afterwards, you're gonna take a hammer. You're gonna put it on the rivet, and then pop, pop, and it'll pop the rivets off. And you can see I broke it here. That was the last one, so I was just prying it and it kind of broke. Which, who cares? We don't need this thing anymore. It's blown. So, also this panel, if you've never taken a panel off, you're just gonna reach around, pull. Like I said, you reach up there, and it's gonna go pop, pop. Don't be afraid to break anything. It just pops all the way around. What it is all these little clips here, just popping out of the holes. That's the way it's made. And so that'll pop off. And I disconnected all the wires except the door handle stuff. I just left that connected because we have perfect access to it right now. So now, in theory, we've got the old one off. Now we got the new one, and the old one was connected with this connector right here. It was plugged in right up here. So you're just gonna snip that off, and here is my new speaker, and we'll see what we did here. I don't think it matters how you connect these wires, like which one goes to where. It might. I just guessed and plugged them up like this, and it worked fine. So I had the brown going to the top, the other one going to the bottom. You can just test it and check and see. And so then you can see what I did here. I basically just got some little connectors. Let's see if I can get a nice close-up. So yeah, you can see I got some little connectors. You can get those from like Harbor Freight, or I'll post links in the video description below to where you can buy some. And so you'll cut the wire, attach the connectors to the wire with take a pair of side cutters. You can cut the wire and then squeeze those connectors onto the new wire. And now this thing, the really cool part about this is it's made in such a way to where, see how it goes behind. So you can see the tabs sit behind, and this specific speaker is a Pioneer. I'll put the link below in the video description, and it specifically sits down, and then the top will pop out. So that is how I'm going to make this work. So now I've got it nice and snug, and then I just drilled little holes right there, little hole right there. So as you can see, I didn't have to do anything really difficult. Like you might be thinking, and yes, this is very jerry-rigged. I also just came and found, what I find? Yeah, found some black screws like this that I just had lying around, and then It is rigged, guys, but it works. And then you're going to take some of the blue. You could use red if you wanted to, but it's like a Loctite. There you go, thread locker. And I'm going to apply some of that on these threads. And then I'm just going to screw that in until it's tight. You don't even have to make it flush. And that is it, guys. This thing will work. And it's in there really securely. That's the thing, is if you were to rig it and just try and hook up a couple sides and it wasn't in there tight, it would wiggle. But this will not wiggle. You can see I'm pushing and it's in there tight. There's no way for it to wiggle. So that's it. And I've already hooked everything up and tested it, and it works great. So if you ordered the wrong speaker, don't want to replace it and buy the OEM one, this is a way to do it where it's tight and works well. So that's it. Thanks for watching.